On the surface of the sea the waves splash. Through them, the sun's rays shine clearly. The shore soft domes. They call me to the waters of unknown lands. I love the sea in its vastness. Where the sky and the water meet. Where the bird's cry is endless in height. And the silence seems to quench my soul. When I stand on the shore along the waves, I hear the voice of the sea. He sings songs to me by heart. And the heart fills the ocean with passion. The sea flows in perpetual motion. And each wave has its own story. I think I know its secrets. But it always remains a mystery of the sea. And when the evening goes down over the waters, the moon illuminates the dark mouths. The sea burns like a living fire suddenly. And he opens his wondrous soul too.
Да, это будет, да, мы с кем-то